Hello everyone, welcome back to another SQL tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see how you can join multiple tables and more than two tables using inner join. So let us start. Here I have the table which name is product, and I am going to join with the category and company table. So how we write inner join with multiple tables? So first starting with the one table and then go to another table. So start with the short name of that table like P, then inner join with the category table. Okay, and I am going to give that table a short name like C. You can give name as you want, then category, then on, then P dot the column, and on which column you want to join. I want to join on category ID, then equals to C dot category ID. Okay, cat ID and category ID. Then second table inner join on inner join with the company table, and I am going to name it the com, com. Then on P dot company ID equals to com dot company ID. So you will get all of the columns from this table. You can see here the company ID, category ID, then again category ID. So let's sort this data like P dot. I want to select the product ID, then product name, then barcode of the product, and P dot. Remember that P is the name of short name of product. P dot, then category ID dot company ID, P dot comma, then P dot status. And I also want to show the company name and category name from the others two table. So after the ID I write here the C dot. C means the category table, C dot category name, then com dot means company name. You can see here what you get here, product details with the company and category name. So you can as heading this headers using this string, this keyword as a single quotes, and the pro ID means product ID. You can see here you will get the product, you will get the column header. Maybe this will help you. So thank you for watching.